Welcome back to another tutorial for the YouCut application. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the aspect ratio of your final video within this application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouCut app on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, you can tap on the plus icon to open up your recent projects or create a new one by tapping on New Project. Once you import your video files, you will be taken into the editor page. Here you can make your desired edits. Now, if you wish to adjust your aspect ratio, simply tap on the video layer and then from the options swipe to the right until you find the crop option. Tap on this option and now you can either freely resize based on your desire or you can use from the various different presets at the bottom. If you wish to use a vertical layout, then you will need to choose 9:16. You can also find the various platform logo, letting you know the suitable aspect ratio for each of these platforms. Choose your aspect ratio and then move the visible layer of your cropping. You can also rotate using the rotation slider at the bottom section if you wish to do so. Once you have made your desired crop, tap on the tick mark and now your entire video project will follow this aspect ratio. If you wish to change this once again, follow the same steps. Select the video layer and then go into crop in order to choose your aspect ratio once again. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your aspect ratio on the YouCut application. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.